What you see here today is a very, very queer fan. It is labeled Starlet, and it is made by Safer. Safer, as a few of you may or may not know, made Newtones. The spinner motor Newtones. Yeah. Same canopy as a lot of Newtones. Isn't that funny? Without knowing, you might think, oh, this is a Newtone. Yeah? Newtone, eh? Then you see the stupid wide blades. The nice blade tips. The chunky switch housing. And then also notice how tiny the motor housing is in proportion to the rest of the fan. Yeah, very, very odd. The motor fills the housing. It's your typical standard Safer motor. And now, let's see what it does. We start on no. Like most Safers, it has a relatively fast low speed, which is maybe about 70, 80 RPMs, maybe 75. Now let's go to medium. This is a 48-inch fan, by the way. It uses the same mounting hardware as Newtones and, of course, other Safers. Luckily, I was able to find the mounting hardware for it, because a lot of these have it come missing. And that sucks. So, whee! High. It does 160 RPMs on high. Which is, compared to other 48 or even 52-inch fans, rather slow. But still moves a fair amount of air considering the circumstances. Turning it off now. And there you go, another oddity. How fun!